The first part of the process is figuring out what you should use to store your cards. There are a number of different options, but the most important component is that it is divided into sections that will fit sports cards. It's important that whatever container you use for your sports cards, it's divided into sections, with more sections giving you more visibility over where your cards are stored. The sections are important as they will be used to reference a card's location in your spreadsheet, and the more sections there are, the more visibility you will have over the cards in the container. For example, if you had two containers of the same size, but one had 10 sections and the other had 3 sections, it would be easier to locate the card in the 10 section box, assuming you knew which section the card is in. Some options for card storage containers are general storage boxes, trading card storage boxes, trading card and slab storage boxes,